course, welcome my next guest speakers for our next panel session. I have here Omar Saeed, of course. He doesn't need any introduction. Assalamu alaikum. You can sit. Kahan baithna chahenge aap? I'll give you that option. Kahin bhi. You have a seat here next to me. And then, of course, I have Mush Kaleem, one of the most famous models of Pakistan. Hi, Mush. How are you? Good, good, good. I would now like to invite Mr. Imran Qureshi, show director and fashion choreographer extraordinaire. Hello, Imran. How are you? Please have a seat. Or would you like to sit next to Omar? And then, last but not the least, I have Amal Qadri, the very, very chic Amal Qadri. Hi, how are you? Okay, well, it's a pleasure having you all here. Today, of course, जो हमारा ये session है, this is to do with, of course, what fashion used to be in the past as to what it is what it is now. Of course, first thing my brain jumps to, and of course, Mushk, you are here, is that I was also discussing with a few friends and being in this, same field, or actor, model, businesswoman, the superwoman, I like to call her. Hi, Nadia, how are you? Your mic is right there.
Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Okay, so
Hi to all my panel.
Nadia, I'll fill you in on the session. Of course, we're going to be talking about what fashion used to be versus what it is now. And of course, you and Omar Saeed and Imran Qureshi, you three would be the best people to talk to. But everyone is most welcome to kind of, just give your opinions and your views. All right, so firstly, let's get started. Of course, being a model, you have modeled back then. You are still, you have been modeling. I mean, I think now it's slowed down a little, but you have been there and you've been here as well. And I remember our conversations where, you kind of think that, okay, the pay, right? The money that you used to make out of like modeling back then versus what it is now. Because, every time I got a photo shoot, I mean, the budget was not as great. Why is that so that money back then at that point, even though, like you were getting paid more back then versus now? Why do you think that is? And I would like your input on this as well, and yours as well, and yours as well.
I think that, as far as like maybe pay scale is concerned, the pay scale is definitely, I would say that it has not changed much. Okay. That's what I would like to say.
So it hasn't changed. But I thought that, it used to be better in the past versus... So you'd have to see.
For the
shows, the budget was better.
Yes, for the shows it was better. Back then it was a bit better, but like I said, that for some of us, the pay scale was what it was at that time is what it is even today.
Okay.
So things have not changed much, since, I mean, there was a rapid increase at some point in time where, we started charging more and more and more, and then it came to a standstill.
Right.
And then it didn't increase, and but what started increasing was other sources of income through cross promotions, and because of social media, there was a lot more of that started happening.
Okay.
So as a model, I would say that today the models are not, perhaps, especially the newer ones, are not as highly paid, or not even highly, they're not at times paid at all. And, that is really sad.
That's ever happened to you, Mushk?
Yeah, so...
That you haven't paid for like...
I think I was, when I joined the industry,
Yeah.
I had my seniors tell me that you need to set your boundaries when you start working. So I think not working for free was one of the boundaries that I set for myself.
Okay.
So it was, I started off working at a very minimal rate, but now like I've gradually built it up. So I think
You made a name for yourself.
yeah, but I think there's barely any budget for shows anymore. There are a lot more, like, there's an influx of models. So there's a lot of, there's a pool of girls who would work for free. So I think it's छोटे-छोटे factors हैं जिनकी वजह से generally the market has also stopped paying, because
So
if you
is
don't
there
have
any
a
way
model,
to stop that?
Yeah.
You see, the thing is that, like because of the huge, what Mushk is saying, the huge influx of models, and that was not as much as what it is today. Because आजकल जो है वो लोगों को ज़्यादा access है to photographers, to the choreographers, to fashion, the people who are doing fashion shows also, because more models are required. At the time that I used to be doing fashion shows, with Imran or with Umar, it used to be a limited number of models, and we used to be, like rushing.
10 models.
You had
Yeah,
10,
and we
15
used to be
models
wearing
back
like
then,
six outfits, 10 outfits at times. No, well, not 10, but at least 6, 7 तो होते थे.
Hello,
So,
Oh, it's working.
like, तो हम लोगों की इतनी back to back changes होती थी
Yeah.
कि, लेकिन अब वो नहीं होता है. अब हम लोगों को 2 pools में डाल दिया जाता है. पहले ज़माने में अगर 10 मॉडल्स 12 मॉडल्स के साथ शोज होते थे, अब जो है वो 40 मॉडल्स के साथ शोज होते हैं, और उन 40 मॉडल्स में से a lot of them are willing to work for free.
Yeah, they are. But like, is there any way to put a stop to this? That's my concern. Like, that's my
Then,
question.
मतलब ये उनके ऊपर है कि वो
आप माइक में सर.
हाँ, कि they have to
माइक जो है ना, मैं खाली हम अपने
हाँ,
इधर रख
go
लें.
ahead.
I think we should
Because
just
this looking at
They
you
put-
and speaking this
they have
side
to
is very
better idea.
uncomfortable.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
they
sorry.
have to put their foot down कि उनको पैसे चाहिए.
उनको पैसे
अगर उनके
चाहिए.
लिए कोई हक के लिए तो नहीं लड़ेगा, उनको हक
बिल्कुल,
तो नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
दूसरी बात ये कि अब जो है वो कैंपेन्स बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही हैं. लॉन्च के कैंपेन्स हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा कैंपेन. हर मिनट पे जो है वो एक मीडिया पे कैंपेन आती है.
कैंपेन्स आ रही हैं.
लेकिन बात क्या हो रही है कि जैसे मुझे याद है कि आखिरी मॉडल है जिसका मुझे नाम पता है, मुझे शक्ल पता है. दे आर नॉट रिकग्नाइजेबल. मतलब उनको रिकग्नाइज ही नहीं करते. लंबी भी हैं, पतली भी हैं, अच्छी भी हैं, लेकिन वो सारी जो है वो हर्ड में काम करती हैं. 6 मॉडल से कम का शूट ही नहीं होता. तो जैसे नादिया होती थी, नादिया की अपनी इंडिविजुअलिटी थी, या विनी की या ईमान की या जिसकी भी, अब वो ख़त्म हो गई है. एक जैसे सारी शक्लें एक जैसे, या तो छोटी छोटी है या लंबी लंबी जो भी हैं.
ये
वो-
मेरा हाँ ये भी
वो-
एक चीज़
वो
है जो
सब
मुझे
जो है वो
discuss
एक
करना है.
जैसी हैं, तो वो उनको पैसे.
But I would like to say one thing, especially since we are talking about modeling, like that I feel that, जो एक चीज थी पहले जमाने में
हाँ.
कि all the models used to be very educated. Okay, so like
Yeah.
we, not all I would say,
And
a
even the
lot of
fraternity
us.
itself, like the fashion field used to be very selective.
Yes, very
Yeah.
selective, and a lot of us were coming, especially the models, especially the ones who made their names. Okay?
Yeah.
Let me be very specific, not talking about all models.
Nadia, there were supermodels. We've
They were
So
said
that's
that-
what I'm saying.
that
Yeah,
era
that's
has finished.
that's
You
what
know,
I'm
such
saying.
thing as
Yeah,
We
supermodels.
don't
that
have any supermodels
So
anymore.
you have
Star.
it difficult, Mush, because you are in this time where even if you have the real
Yeah.
talent and everything, it stands out, yes, but it can also very easily kind of get drowned and lost somewhere in there.
I just think with Instagram, with TikTok,
Yeah.
there is barely any difference between a model, an influencer, a blogger. But it's all the same.
Everyone is doing the
Actually,
same.
Yes,
you
Imran
see,
sir?
the main issue that of payment then and now
Yeah.
is at that time all the major multinationals sponsored shows.
Right.
All our shows were sponsored by either Lever Brothers or L'Oreal or Pepsi or Coca-Cola, or there were so many, even non-related
And
multinationals.
why do you think they've stopped sponsoring them now?
Because now एक तो billboards बंद हो गए, दूसरा ये कि COVID हो गया है,
Vaccines
the
बंद हो
economy,
गए.
Magazines
the-
बंद हो गए.
the whole system has changed. Everything is gone on the
Online.
phone.
On-
You have a
yeah.
phone. You are a blogger. You're a model. You're a writer. You're a superstar. You make your own.
Mike
this thing.
नहीं चल रहा है.
Source of entertainments have also changed. Like the kind of entertainment I think has also changed. So fashion used to be entertainment,
Yeah.
and fashion was entertainment for everybody. Everybody used
Yeah.
to die to go to a fashion show. But like now, it's like,
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
It was something, it was out of the box, something that you don't get to see. Everyone was not.
Also-
they weren't connected to it. Yeah, now
Umar, your
everyone's
mic is
connected
off,
to
I
it.
think.
Everyone it's out in the open. I feel
Yeah.
there's no
You-
exclusivity to it.
Exclusivity.
Yeah.
Hello?
True. So, but my thing is that how
वो
are
ये है कि
all of
अब
these...
the economics became so difficult because I was dealing with it
Yes.
on a daily basis. And the models, I mean, of course, I loved working with my 10, 15 of the superstars that were like Nadia and Neeraj and Winnie and Sybil and Rubab and Sunita and everybody. They were amazing girls. But at the end, we couldn't pay for it. Abhi, this recent fashion show that's taken place, they auditioned and they took a totally new lot of girls and boys who worked for like probably peanuts.
Peanuts.
Literally peanuts.
तो आई मीन आई नो कि अभी भी हमारे पास अगर हम चाहें तो 10-15 बहुत अच्छी सिलेक्टिव मॉडल्स हो सकते हैं हम उनके बारे में देयर आर गर्ल्स आउट देयर they've made their names and they are but why is the industry going crazy picking out just every single model या सस्ते में मॉडल जो भी मिल गई या फ्री की मॉडल
I think,
बस कोई भी
as-
See,
why
like
is
again,
that so
sorry. Again, because the
lack of
multinationals are not sponsoring these fashion weeks also.
Right.
तो वो अब उनको अपने पास से पैसे generate करने हैं.
अच्छा.
So they
And that's why.
they can't afford
Yeah.
to pay a single girl like ₹1,00,000 a day, which comes to 2-3 days, 4 days.
Yeah.
And then you imagine 30-40 girls, 20-30 boys.
But it's actually
it's-
a very vice versa catch-22 situation.
Right.
Because market में पैसे हैं, जो लोग स्टार्स को कितने पैसे दे रहे हैं, लेकिन
हाँ,
हर
ये-
एक को स्टार चाहिए, हर एक को टीवी, तो फैशन की वैल्यू जो है वो खत्म होती जा रही है.
Yes.
Fashion is
Very
dead.
painful to see
Very
that.
painful. कि
I
वो-
think पहले जो ये था ना
मॉडल को पैसे नहीं देंगे वो, लेकिन कोई टीवी स्टार है उसको एक आउटफिट के 10 लाख.
हाँ तो ये मैं पूछना चाह रही थी आप लोगों से कि हाउ वुड अ मॉडल फील अबाउट दैट कि आपने इतने सालों से आप काम कर रहे हैं यूज्ड टू बी लाइक अ टॉप मॉडल नादिया एंड एवरीथिंग एंड नाउ ऑल ऑफ अ सडन दैट वैल्यू हैज बीन काइंड ऑफ overpowered by these
चीज़
I
है वो-
mean all the celebrities. I mean there are so many out there with over 1 million followers and they have more value than the
Let
work
alone-
आपका जो experience है.
You're talking about models. They've replaced choreographers.
Yes.
All the senior choreographers have been replaced.
So let's talk
by-
about that. Why is that so? Like choreographers का क्या
again
है फिर
economics.
इसमें concept?
Economics, because these guys come in cheap. They've been either models or backstage managers
Right.
or assistant production assistant, my production assistants or whatever. And then they just take over. They'll do it for nothing, or 5,000-6,000 rupees, and they just have to make the girls walk up and down. There's not much to the art of choreography that we instilled earlier in the 80s and 90s.
आई थिंक स्टैंडर्ड जो है वो लो हो गया है. अगर आप स्ट्राइव करते हैं अच्छी चीज़ के लिए तो आप पैसे भी देते हैं, आप अच्छा शो बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन वो नहीं है अब वो चाहते हैं इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन है, इंस्टाग्राम पे तस्वीरें लग जाएं, 4 ये हो जाए 4 वो हो जाए, बात खत्म.
So, another
15
thing.
मिनट में पोस्ट नीचे चली जाती है.
हाँ.
तो देयर इज नो मतलब सस्टेनेबिलिटी का कोई कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं है. मैगजीन्स ऐसे खत्म हुए पहले फैशन
Yes.
उनकी कोई शेल्फ वैल्यू होती थी. अब आप किसी को भी पेड पोस्ट जो ये मैगजीन्स ऑनलाइन निकले हुए, आई एम नथिंग अगेंस्ट दैट कि वो आप दुनिया के साथ तरक्की करते सब, लेकिन सारी दुनिया में वो निकल ही रहे हैं ना. हमारे यहाँ तो कोई मैगजीन, लिबास बंद हो गया, मसाज बंद हो गया, क्योंकि बिजनेस ही नहीं है.
जी.
पहले जो हम लोग शूट्स, अब अगर मैं शूट करूं 15 मिनट बाद वो पोस्ट नीचे आ जाती है, आपने पैसे भी दिए हुए हो, तो उन मैगजीन में तो आपके पास महीनों पड़ा रहता था. आप पार्लर जाएं, आप किसी के घर जाएं, आपको उसकी रिकॉल वैल्यू होती थी. अब कोई रिकॉल वैल्यू नहीं है
लेकिन
किसी भी चीज.
Fashion was an art form.
Yeah.
It was an
Yes.
art. Like anyone who would portray or show fashion, it had, weight to it. Right now, everyone's wearing it like how he's saying. It's out there. Everyone's
Yeah.
doing the same. It's like a herd mentality. Everyone's doing the same thing. There's no individuality to each and everyone's
but you
fashion,
think
right?
somewhere along the line that's only because a consumer does not want to take chances. They don't want to
I
risk
agree.
with their kind of fashion
So-
sense and what they can wear and what they can't.
So I just generally think brands obviously are getting so much like quick results because when they put it out there, there are consumers who are actually telling you right then and there what outfit is being in demand, and फिर वो क्या करते हैं? They only start producing that. But I just generally think, but that's how everything else is missing.
पहले मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि पहले हम रोते थे कि बिजनेस ऑफ फैशन नहीं है. बिजनेस ऑफ फैशन नहीं है कि हम कपड़े बना रहे हैं बड़े खूबसूरत, फैशन वट जो भी जो कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उसका कोई डिटेल. अब पहले बिजनेस ऑफ फैशन नहीं था, अब फैशन नहीं रहा, अब सिर्फ बिजनेस है. तो वो जैसे प्रेट है, ये आई एम नथिंग अगेंस्ट दैट, लेकिन क्या है कि वो एक हर्डवेयर, जैसे उन्होंने कहा अमल ने कि हर्डवेयर मेंटालिटी हो गई है। इसने ये 5 रंग के कपड़े बनाए, वही रंग, मतलब कोई इंडिविजुअलिटी नहीं है, एक को दूसरा कॉपी कर रहा है।
सब digital printing है, सब basic embroidery चल रही है।
और उनको आम लोगों को भी हमें एजुकेट करना था ना। हमने ये किया है कि उनको फ़र्क ही नहीं पता कि कुट्योर का क्या फ़र्क है या प्रेट का क्या फ़र्क है। सबने, इवन डिज़ाइनर्स आर इन्वॉल्व इन दैट, कि उन्होंने अगर 60,000 का नहीं बेच, जाहिर बात है अगर जिस पे 3 महीने काम हुआ है या टाँके लगे हैं, एम्ब्रॉयडरी हुई है, कोई कॉन्सेप्ट है
3 महीने
तो
काम।
वो महंगा होगा। उसकी
Yes.
जब अगर आप सस्ती कॉपी अपने ही उससे ब्रांड से निकालेंगे 6,000 रुपए की, तो वैल्यू तो नहीं रही ना उस बात की।
Sustainability भी नहीं है, अमर, है ना?
सस्टेनेबिलिटी नहीं है।
Sustainability.
हर चीज़ इज थ्रो अवे ना। हर
Yeah.
चीज़ फेसबुक पे तस्वीर लग गई, आप दोबारा रिपीट नहीं करेंगे। पहले नादिया या आप अपनी नानी का दुपट्टा भी पहनते थे, उसमें एक चेरिश, एक फील होते थे, एक नैरेटिव होता था, एक स्टोरी होती थी कि आप उसको दिल से लगा के रखते थे। अब आप कोई चीज़ दिल से लगा के नहीं रखते। आप एक टी शर्ट ज़ारा की खरीदते, पहनी पसंद आई, नहीं आई आपने फेंकी, बस द थिंग। तो वैल्यू ऑफ फैशन खत्म हो गई है।
जी।
वैल्यूएबल थिंग्स अगेन।
नहीं, okay, so it's lost its value. That's what you're saying.
Fashion is not.
Mushk, you had something to say to that? Sorry, Saima.
Another reason that I feel there have been too many fashion weeks in a season. The fashion weeks have made fashion weak.
But then there are so many designers designing all
No,
sorts of
but there are
clothes.
so many
that-
designers in the world.
मतलब
But they select one city in the world, in a country.
Yeah.
It's New York Fashion Week. It's Paris Fashion Week. It's London Fashion Week. It's Tokyo Fashion Week. It's not like Yokohama में भी हो रहा है, कोई Kyoto में भी हो रहा है, और कोई रोएशी में भी हो रहा है। वो इतने फैशन वीक एक सीजन में 8-8, 9-9 इंडिविजुअल फैशन वीक्स हुए हैं।
मिलान
And
fashion
पाकिस्तान में
पाकिस्तान में, हाँ एग्जैक्टली।
वेल आई मीन कौन सा, चलो 2 तो मेन हैं, उसके अलावा
नादिया,
उस तरह के उस
I can
concept
name
में बहुत
so
सारे
many.
निकल गए ना।
हाँ,
नॉट मेनी।
no, there have been 6-7 sets of fashion weeks in a season. That has caused designers to come up with designs.
Well,
so
I guess,
frequently.
just one brand is kind of, they have like 3 different fashion shows. And then there are, of course, yeah, so I mean, let's not go into names.
Every 2-day event is called a fashion week in Pakistan.
Yeah,
That
Nowhere
is
in-
true. Huh?
Nowhere in the world is a 2-day event. It's a 7-day event.
yeah.
And उसको ये होता है कि आपने ज़बरदस्ती इसको ब्लैकमेल किया, उसको हाथ पांव जोड़े,
So
इसको करा।
what, how are all of these designers जो fashion shows में हिस्सा ले रहे हैं, what are they gaining out of it? उनको वो पैसा कैसे, उनको क्या
भाई,
उसका return मिल रहा है?
They were all hopeful that by doing this they will get publicity out of it and they will sell their product. But Umar is sitting here. Ask him
Yes.
if he has sold anything after a fashion week.
Yeah.
Not really.
No.
No, but now it's more like a circus. You have these designers who, by the way, I'm so sorry, but there are designers who won't pay their models but will pay up in millions to their
Just to
showstoppers
participate,
just because they're
yeah,
actors.
yeah.
Right? So उन लोग के लिए fashion week is like a stage. So they want to come and perform. तो उन लोग के लिए it's not
Performance,
important
गाने
कि उनके
के ऊपर.
So
कपड़े
just
बिकें.
basically to be in the limelight.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
basically the purpose
Yeah.
behind it now.
So I
The
think
reason is wrong. The reason is wrong.
The reason
yeah,
is
so
wrong.
it's about merging fashion with entertainment. So entertainment, fashion itself was entertainment, but now entertainment जो है वो ज़्यादा element
Has
fashion
taken
show में
over.
आ गया है,
Yeah, yeah.
and entertainment जो है वो even though कि उसमें ठीक है, कोई इतनी बुराई नहीं है, लेकिन फिर आपका fashion वहाँ पे गुम हो गया है. And the entertainment value is more, which is the reason why then so much importance is given to the actors and to your celebrity showstoppers,
Because it's
because the
all,
model who and the celebrity showstoppers make those clothes look hideous because they're not even walking like models, they're walking
And it
like
happened
Yeah,
to me.
I mean, I would die if I have
Ghar
to
ki-
walk in such a
there
heavy
is-
gown with heels on. I mean, that you're not used to that. It takes a while.
It happened to me so many times. I refuse to take any celebrity or whatever कि मुझे नहीं चाहिए. मुझे सिर्फ मॉडल्स चाहिए,
Models
मेरे कपड़े.
चाहिए.
लेकिन वो नहीं मानते अगर आप चैनल्स के साथ काम
हाँ,
करें.
channels के
आप
साथ
किसी
थोड़ा
साथ
मसला
काम
हो
करें,
जाता है. Yes,
they
Mush?
force you.
I just
they
wanted
force you,
to-
they twist your arms कि आपको you have to take them.
हाँ.
Yes.
और अगर वो हमें लेते हैं, वो भी इसलिए लेते हैं कि हमारे नाम पे सेलिब्रिटी आ जाएगा.
Yes.
अब अगर मैं या कोई और भी
Of
जो भी
course.
ऑफ कोर्स तो वो आ जाएंगे, उनके कहने से नहीं आएंगे वो.
लेकिन अगर आपको क्या ऐसा लगता है कि अगर सेलिब्रिटी को बहुत पैसे मिल रहे हैं एक वो करने के लिए, कैटवॉक करने के लिए, तो वो शायद फिर भी आ जाए, अगर नाम इतना बड़ा ना हो फिर भी
तब
आ
भी आ
आते
जाए.
हैं,
जाते हैं,
डेफिनेटली
आते
आते
हैं.
हैं, जाहिर है, बिकॉज इट्स
कुछ
ऑल
नहीं
अबाउट
करते,
मनी, राइट?
कुछ नहीं करते,
Yes.
लेकिन कुछ करते हैं.
It's all about money at the end of the
Fashion
day.
is very, very glitzy and glamorous for the entertainment industry. I mean, I know people think fashion is within reach, but for a lot of people, fashion is not, like, it's not at arm's length. It is
It's not
still very out
attainable,
of
yeah.
reach for
Yeah.
a lot of our celebrities. And मुझे इस चीज़ का अंदाज़ा, actually yesterday I was doing a commercial and उसके billboard shots हो रहे थे and अचानक से they're like ये कपड़े इतने अच्छे लग रहे हैं हम लोग, and then somebody pointed out because you're using a model and you're not using an
That's
actor.
true, actually,
And
yeah.
they
So
said
fashion is-
we've brought it up with this brand इतनी दफ़ा that you should use a model for your billboards, but they said कि क्योंकि it's a mass product, we always use an actor even if it doesn't come out as nice.
Yeah.
Because again, like I said, that model की एक जो value है ना, and again हम लोग अपने models को celebrate नहीं करते हैं, and that goes for a lot of people in our industry, that we don't make. I mean, Naomi Campbell, she is 50 plus and she's still a supermodel, but हमारे मुल्क में I mean, there's so much ageism
Ageism
that
तो बहुत
even
ज़्यादा है.
because
Why
of
do you
that,
think that is? Like, if the person is not looking as old just because of the fact that she's a certain age.
Even if
Yeah.
they are, but even if they are looking old, but they are looking good old, so it's okay.
Yeah.
You should celebrate age. What's
yeah.
wrong with it?
So
What's
like
wrong with
Naomi
it?
Campbell,
Just like,
with
you
it.
know, if you're kind of accepting the fact that a model is short or if model is slightly
So why not the
overweight,
age factor?
then why not the age factor? Exactly.
And she
yeah.
knows how to carry herself. That's what matters.
And she's
I
been
feel.
doing it longer than
Yeah.
anyone else.
and
yes, so
Naomi
she has
Campbell is
experience.
Naomi Campbell, and
I
she's
think
becoming
many
bigger.
of our models can do
She's
that. I mean,
becoming
we're not just,
she's
you know,
becoming bigger and better. Or Naomi Campbell, if we talk about her, she's becoming bigger and better and more of a
Linda हो
superstar.
या Kate Moss हो या कोई भी हो.
Yeah.
All of
And I think it's
They
a
are
great
like
way of,
talented,
teaching all of your younger generations as well, the newer models, that how a model should be able
मेरा
to
अगर
carry herself.
अगर
And it's like,
नादिया या मोश क्या इस तरह के हमें होते हैं, हमें रिहर्सल की भी जरूरत नहीं होती. They know our clothes, they know how to
जी.
tuck them in, कैसे पहनने, हमें इनको बताने की भी जरूरत
and
नहीं
I'll
है.
tell you, I've spent some time with Nadia backstage, and I know that I could see how hands-on all of these senior models have been to the newcomers. I mean, they've helped. चाहे वो पैकिंग की बात हो कि किस तरह से एक
हाँ,
सूटकेस
it's always
पैक
a
होना
pleasure,
चाहिए एक
it's always
मॉडल
a
का.
pleasure, और burden जो है हमारा कम हो जाता है, आधा हो जाता है. अगर मैं
Yeah,
सोचूं
काम
मैं
आधा
तो-
हो जाता है,
काम
exactly,
आधा
because
हो
you
जाता है.
have someone who's showing them how
See,
to
some-
kind of do the, walk and the talk.
This batch of Nadias and all was phenomenal. I mean, they were getting better and better every day. Iraj, till the last show she did, was phenomenal. Sunita hai, the Nadia hai, Winnie hai. They were amazing. But then, you start hearing people talking, designers or organizers, कि बुड्ढी हो गई है अब इसकी age show कर रही है.
What is buddhi? Like I do.
So
I
it's very sad to hear
Yeah,
things
it is
like
very
that.
sad, isn't
They
it?
get better.
Yeah.
You should celebrate them, not criticize them that they are forced to leave.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I generally think since everyone's talking about acceptance, they have now started taking plus size models. They've started taking all
Here?
kinds of. They have. They
Yeah,
have. I've done.
that's excellent.
I've done so plus size models. I'm saying that acceptance. फिर क्या old age की क्या है? Why
but,
not?
But are you talking about like photo shoots or ramp?
Yeah.
Photo
No,
shoots.
Photo shoots.
Photo
yeah.
shoots. So we need
But
those
plus
on the ramp
size-
as well.
so I just generally
Plus
think.
size भी हुआ है ramp पे, हुआ है. But not with models. It's happened with celebrities.
Acha, and yeah, well.
मैंने
हाँ,
सिर्फ-
celebrities,
I've
but
seen
then
it in
that's
a
the
shoot, and
showstopper.
I
That
thought
kind
it's
of
a good
defeats
thing
the-
because spirit age is also why is that being put on the side? You
Yeah.
know, so you should have all
shouldn't be
kinds.
put on the
I'll
side.
tell you
absolutely.
something,
Yeah.
Amal. हम लोग इन बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ों के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं, but I do not think Pakistan is ready for this kind of acceptance, because I know which campaign you're talking about. I saw people mocking that campaign online. There have been people
But that's
who
only because social media is so
but-
accessible to all
no,
of these
it is,
people
it
who
is.
don't know
But
what fashion
मैं
is.
बोल रही हूँ कि हम लोग
हाँ.
अभी यहाँ पे बैठ के ये सारी बातें कर रहे हैं, and I understand that this is the 1% of Pakistan that understands this.
Sadly and
But for the
unfortunately.
99%, they are not ready for plus size models. They are not
not.
ready for older women to walk the ramp. They're not ready for maybe handicapped people, they're not ready for it. So we are light years behind
but
where we
don't
should
you
be.
think we should, rather than giving into that कि देख रहे हैं कि हमारा जो है लोग क्या चाह रहे हैं, can we not educate them by keeping at it?
Hira,
And, you
but
know-
that's what we do. We give in.
Yeah.
We always give in.
Yeah.
Because it's not in demand, and that's why we sort of say, okay, nahi hai,
It's
and
not going to
backlash
make
mil
us
raha hai.
any money, so may
So
as well
people
not.
do give in. You're right about
Which
that.
is so
fact.
sad,
And
isn't
abhi
it?
gine chune, like they're talking about models. Experience se the way they flare their dupatta for a shot. As a stylist, I deal with
So,
such.
yeah.
So I get to see so many young girls. Kuch unme se they're ready to learn, and they do. But then few are just like, dupatta theek kar de.
My
I will do
question
it.
for you, Amal, before it slips my mind again, is what made you want to become a stylist? Because the concept of having a stylist, was it like, I'm not aware of it. Please enlighten me. I mean, has it been around for a while?
Actually,
The concept of stylist in Pakistan?
Concept of?
Being a stylist.
No, the
it
stylist has
wasn't,
come
right?
in now,
Just now.
with this bloggers and this new generation.
Yes.
A stylist is totally there. We never had stylists earlier.
These older brands, designers, they had a thought process.
Okay.
And they would look into each and every detail. Now the brands don't want to do that, designers don't want to, they just hire someone and do it. But pehle nahi hota tha. Like I had to explain myself when I started off. I was more of a personal stylist. And
How
that's-
much of free work have you done, Amal? Just to
Shuru
prove
mein-
your worth.
Shuru mein I did.
You
now
did.
I say no.
Aman,
People-
now I think brands even just they're like they don't even come on sets now. Stylists, they go to the office, they pick up the clothes and matlab,
yeah.
Acha,
But I
I
still
just
A
feel
lot
that
of
you need to
the-
put their aesthetics
a
in
lot
the
of
brands.
The scenario has changed
Yeah.
It
from
has.
earlier. When I started doing shows, it was a one-man show.
Yeah.
We selected the music, we did the choreography, we did the styling, we did the backstage, we did the front stage.
So it was
set
basically
design, lighting.
a
अब
whole
ये
lot
कि-
of jobs for.
I
अब
think
individually
कि-
हर चीज अलग हो गई है, and I'm sorry the quality is not
Yeah.
It's a
there
whole
at all with so many
paraphernalia,
people
जैसे
involved.
अमल ने कहा कि पहले हम लोग जो हैं कार्ल लागरफेल्ड हो गए, शनेल हो गए, जो
I can't hear you, Amal.
हेलो
जी.
हाँ, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि पहले जो जैसे अमल ने कहा कि पहले वाले डिजाइनर्स को उनकी एक्सेसरीज स्टाइलिंग हर चीज़ पता होती थी. अब जैसे कार्ल लागरफेल्ड हो गए या शनेल हो गए या जो भी अरमानी या वैलेंटिनो, दे डिड इट ऑल. बल इवन शूट भी वो खुद करते थे
Yeah.
या हम खुद करते. लेकिन ये बहुत अच्छी बात है, मैंने अमल का काम तो देखा हुआ है, लेकिन बहुत सारे लोग जो स्टाइलिस्ट हैं वो सवाए सेलिब्रिटीज़ को प्रोक्यूरमेंट करने के कि बाहर के कपड़े, वो अगर दुबई में उनका कनेक्शन है या मनीष मल्होत्रा से उनका कनेक्शन है तो वो सिर्फ कपड़े प्रोवाइड करते हैं. दे हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट स्टाइलिंग इज ऑल अबाउट.
Yeah.
You need to, each and everything matters, Umar, right? From the shoe to the accessory that you're
Exactly.
wearing to the kind of makeup you're going.
It absolutely
It can
does.
actually change wonders just because of that. And sometimes just giving an outfit is not it. Like if I
Yeah.
want to do
Exactly.
if I dress up someone, I usually say no because मैं उसको पूरा नहीं तैयार कर पा रही हूँ, तो it's no use me just sending a dress and saying, oh, tag me. I am against it because it's no use. You're not really styling the
So-
person, you're just providing them with outfits.
You're right.
He's right.
लोग बहुत ज़्यादा हो गए हैं कि मतलब हम किसी शूट पे जाते हैं, किसी ब्रांड के एक शूट पे, इसमें पूरा एक होल पैराफिनेलिया है.
जी.
वो क्या
जो
कहते हैं
इमरान
वो-
साहब बोल रहे थे
हाँ,
कि पहले
वो-
आप लोग सब काम खुद
हाँ,
ही
खुद ही
करते थे,
करते
तो
थे.
नॉलेज थी,
हमने
एक्सपीरियंस था, हैंड्स ऑन. लेकिन
मॉडल्स
अब
को मैंने इसके साथ भी कि रिक्शे में बैठ के भी कपड़े बदल लेंगे, मतलब इनको कोई वो, आप उनको
हाँ,
वैनिटी
बना दिया
वैन
जो
चाहिए, वैनिटी
अभी तो
वैन चाहिए,
मुश्क के
उनको
साथ I
सब
just recently
तमाशा
did
चाहिए
something.
Yeah.
और काम नहीं कुछ आता ना.
Yeah.
मतलब मैं किसी को किसी स्पेसिफिक को नहीं कह रहा, लेकिन जनरली ऐसे ही है, जनरली ऐसे ही है कि ताम चाम बढ़ गया है, एक पूरा ट्रेल बढ़ गई है, लेकिन काम क्वालिटी आप देख लेना.
क्वालिटी ऑफ वर्क इज
आप
नॉट
पहले के शूट्स देख लें, आपके देख लें, पहले के शोज देख लें, आप देख लें.
So up, I want to add. I don't know whether we're at the end of the session or
We
whatever.
are pretty
but
much wrapping it up.
I
I'm just gonna
want
take questions if they have
I just
any.
want to add one more thing that
Yeah.
in the past 1 year since COVID has started, हमारे यहाँ खास तौर पे हमारे यहाँ टिकटॉक की बहुत वैल्यू हो गई है, एंड जो टिकटॉकर्स की वैल्यू है वो और ज़्यादा हो गई है. तो अब तो आई वुड से
So
कि इवन द
what about
सेलिब्रिटीज
it? As in I'm like wondering is it like, are you encouraging that we should use
No.
TikTok or we should?
No. I'm just saying that the dynamics of things have changed very dramatically.
Yes.
Where if we're talking about even fashion, the fashion brands are even approaching TikTokers, you know, for endorsements. If we're talking about technology, they are being approached by the TikTokers. If we're talking about, so value of fashion and fashion models. अगर हम सिर्फ modeling की बात करें, even as far as actors are concerned,
Yeah.
like that kind of value is, the competition, I would say, is, अब जैसे कि पहले अगर model को
Feels like a
compete,
joke, doesn't it? Sometimes. Like,
पहले
okay.
अगर model को compete करना था ना with a celebrity who's an actor, now the model and the
It's
actor
like being a banker
has
और
to
फिर just
compete.
because एक client जो है आपका वो इतने time से आपके साथ banking कर रहा है वो भी banker बन सकता है. One of those kinds of things that you have worked so hard to get here, to be where you are, those kinds of things, and then just all of a sudden.
And that dynamic
that's all
has
it took.
changed
One
only in the
video.
past 1 year.
Yeah.
Since
1
COVID,
year, I think it's been around for quite some time.
No. But in Pakistan, the popularity has been around for a year. And the dynamics have now changed dramatically. अब like अगर हम endorsements की बात करते हैं कि brand पैसे नहीं देता है, तो brand जो है वो पैसे अब उनके जो पैसे divert हो रहे हैं ना, वो इन sources की तरफ हो
I
रहे हैं.
second it, बिल्कुल,
Because
क्योंकि आप
it's
मुझे
a-
celebrities
yeah.
कहते हैं, अभी कोई फिल्म बना रहे थे, उन्होंने कहा, मैंने कहा ये क्यों लिया है आपने इनको, क्योंकि आपको नहीं पता इनकी कितनी फॉलोइंग है. तो आर्टिस्ट की भी अब फॉलोइंग पे बात होती है, आर्ट पे या उसके टैलेंट पे या उसके एक्टिंग स्किल्स पे बात नहीं हो रही. आपके कितने
Followers
फॉलोअर्स
पे बात हो रही है.
इस पे
जी,
बात
जी,
हो
जी.
रही है.
I mean,
तो उससे it's
I would
insane.
never. I think that's one of the reasons why I stopped posting on Instagram so often. कि अब नहीं कराऊंगी. I don't care for followers. It's just kind of driving me away personally because it's like, what is this? Yeah,
But yeah, the competition is tough from
yeah, you tell me differently, Nadia. I know that, but it's like I don't feel that way.
But a lot of people do get a lot of work because of it.
Yes, you do,
so as a
because that's
personal
exactly,
stylist,
going back
I
to Umar's
worked-
conversation.
So I worked as a stylist, as a personal stylist, and I had someone like Anusha Ashraf. She actually contacted me through Instagram.
Yeah.
So I'm just saying, I got a lot of work. I got recognition because of it. So it also depends the kind of recognition you're getting.
Yeah. So I think it works both ways.
it
I
has
mean, we
to
could
be-
be kind of talking about
हर
it
चीज़
and
के pros
debating
and
over
cons
this
होते
all
हैं.
day because of the fact that it works in someone's favor,
In the end, you have to show
rightfully
your
so,
worth,
and then
I
the other
feel.
ones are just like.
I think what we all need on all platforms is just a quality check.
Exactly.
Even if you were
Exactly.
even if you were like taking a TikToker or a model or a stylist or an actor or a musician, there has to be some sort of a filter before that person comes on the ramp or the screen or the set or a
But
stage.
social media, you're king. You're king of your own social media world.
Yeah,
So nobody
no.
can stop you. There can be no checks.
But Nadia, they have audacity that they call me and say कि collaborate. And why would I collaborate? मतलब why? So many people, मतलब they call us, they message us कि collaborate का क्या आप हमें कपड़े दें हम
That's
शादी
what
में
the
पहनेंगे.
social media stars.
Why would I do that?
What else are they supposed to say though?
Not a random person on a social media or how and they have no shame and no respect for us. They just want clothes.
All right, so just I guess it's time. I think anything else? Anyone has anything to add? So we'll wrap it up.
कहा कि अब
Yes. I'll be inviting you. Mike, आपको नहीं चाहिए? You say that each time. Yet you do. ये ले लें आप.
So I was just like, बहुत सारी बातें कर ली, 4 panels कर लिए, and result for this summit, what should it be? बातें कर ली, चले गए. So what I feel that it's a direction. We all are directionless. Everybody is running in their own rat race.
Yeah.
So basically, there is no such power body to make somebody sit there and keep suggesting people, giving them directions. For example, आज उमर सईद साहब हमें मिले बहुत मुश्किल से, but that's an honor and privilege for me to have such people like here in the panels, the A-listers, from the moderators to everybody. Now हम क्या करें? अब आगे क्या करें? इस summit तो खत्म हो जाएगी. इसके बाद what is the aim and ambition after this? Fashion weeks होते रहते हैं. ये समिट आज हो रही है और आगे अब आप लोग घर चले जाएंगे, ओके बहुत अच्छा था, इट वाज गुड, फाइन, फेयर इनफ. सो डायरेक्शन नहीं है ना, देयर इज व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड हियर. सो आई जस्ट नीड वन स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम द नाउ एंड देन वी हैव स्पोकन. सो व्हाट इज द स्टेटमेंट एंड अ समरी. अगेन द सेम क्वेश्चन अराइजेस जो लास्ट टाइम भी हुआ था कि समिट का इसका समरी क्या है. व्हाट इज द समरी फॉर दिस.
कुछ बेहतरी आएगी या
आई थिंक नादिया आप मुझे बताएं कि व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन नाउ फॉर पीपल. यू सेड लाइक पुराने ज़माने में ये होता था और ये वाले हम जैसे विनी से या सिबिल से मे बी अ न्यू जेन माइट बी ऑफेंडेड. आई थिंक मुझको शायद नहीं अच्छा लगा होगा कि जी पहले वाले इतने अच्छे थे तो अभी क्या, फिर हम क्या कर रहे हैं.
नहीं मुझ पुराने वालों की तरह चल रही है.
नहीं, बट that's everybody's self-opinion. Now this is a debate. Seriously, this is a debate. Because अगर मेरा ज़माने की औरत
उसकी
को
वैल्यूज, उसकी टाइमिंग्स, उसकी डेडिकेशन वर्क की सब पुराने लोगों की तरह है. अगर वो नए लोगों की तरह होती तो आज मुश्किल ना
तो
होती.
फिर हमें डायरेक्शन देनी है ना उमर जी, हमें
मैं वही कह
डायरेक्शन
रहा हूँ.
देनी है.
देखिए उमा, बात सारी है कि मैं फैशन पुलिस नहीं हूँ. मैं कोई बॉडी नहीं बना सकता. मैं आज कहूँगा इस डिजाइनर के कपड़े या ये मॉडल ठीक नहीं है, लोग मुझे ही जूते मारेंगे.
मगर आपको नहीं लगता कि फैशन वीक की बात तो हो ही नहीं रही. अब
नहीं,
अब तो
fashion
बात हो
week
रही
की-
है कि हम क्या एक कोलैबोरेटेड.
देखिए फैशन वीक की भी
Collaborative.
बात मैं करता हूँ कि अगर उनकी बॉडी है तो आप उनके जो कलेक्शंस वो दिखा रहे हैं उनको आके आप पहले से देखें, उनको देखें कि क्या है. कुछ चीजें जानी चाहिए, कुछ चीजें
सर
एडिट
कौन
करें.
बताएगा उन्हें.
तो यही बात है,
तो
ये
है.
बॉडीज बननी चाहिए.
तो बननी चाहिए.
तो हाँ,
This is there.
बिल्कुल
This is
बॉडीज
where you
बननी
are.
चाहिए.
Great. So
लेकिन
हमें
वही है
body
कि
बनानी
अगर
है.
वही
There
person
needs
की-
to be an institution or a
institution.
system.
Exactly.
Yes,
और
arena
base-
where.
There are two councils,
Yes, but
Karachi में और
वो
Lahore में.
आपस में ही
These are the
लड़ते रहते
bodies you're talking about. What are you going to create more bodies?
Yes. Yes.
No, then maybe more effective use of those resources because
Actually,
already
the
do
media and
these
system is changing so rapidly. Like Nadia pointed out कि एक साल के अंदर टिकटॉकर्स आ गए. उससे पहले वो स्नैपचैट था, है ना. I never got used to all
But
these things.
Snapchat was not something, you know, the
But
value.
every now, I mean, a new, ये 2-3-4-5 साल पहले ब्लॉगर्स का नाम भी नहीं किसी को पता था कि what is a blogger. A blogger is an important part, stylist. You know, all these things are coming in so rapidly, so fast, that there is no control, you cannot control them.
The change is too quick. The change is too quick, and you know, lots of things are happening at the same time, and lots of things are overlapping each other.
Exactly,
And you know,
exactly.
value जो चीज़ों की थी अब वो value नहीं रही है. Value
वो
जो
value-
इंसानों की थी और जो हमारे नामों की थी वो नहीं
नहीं
रही
रही
है.
है, बिल्कुल
So you know, I think that is something that I really don't you know, I really don't know कि हमारे यहाँ ये कैसे you know change होगा until and unless the brands who are actually even, I mean, you know, I can only give the example of somebody like you know, somebody like even designers जो international designers हैं. Chanel की value अभी भी है, Karl Lagerfeld की value अभी भी है, you know, मतलब जितने भी जो आपके टॉप के डिजाइनर्स हैं वो उनकी वैल्यू आज भी है. ठीक है. सो जितनी भी टॉप की मॉडल्स थी पूरी दुनिया में उनकी वैल्यू आज भी है. भले वो टक्कर में आके जीजी हदीद भी खड़ी हो गई, वो केंडल जेनर भी खड़ी हो गई, लेकिन नेओमी कैम्पबेल की वैल्यू कम नहीं हुई. एंड द रीजन फॉर दैट इज बिकॉज द एंटायर सिस्टम सपोर्ट्स देम. And
Respect
here we
them,
don't have
support
that. Here
them.
we don't.
So Nadia, here we go. So you have answered it very correctly. So we should have a system. So who will create the system now?
Yeah.
We all will create a system, right? There should be a word.
You see, it's
We all
it,
would
it
create a
can't
system. Who will
be
create
with
a
us alone. You know, it has to be.
system? So listen, there is one. Say example, I or you or it's not about I or me. Like right, we have to collaborate. Look, we all are sitting here giving our own suggestions. What I'm saying. Huh? हंसी आ रही है? So, Joe?
No. I was just saying that I don't think it's all of us. We don't have much to do with fashion. It's not all of us. It's not going to be all of us. There are few people who sit in power, positions of power, and they run the world. If all of us, 800 of us get together, we're never going to get anywhere. There are two people who are going to call the shots, they're going to finance it, and things are going to change the narrative. Like Apple runs the world now, okay? And that's it. And Facebook, and Mark Zuckerberg is sitting there, and Twitter has more power than Donald Trump does at this point in time because they can ban Donald Trump. But no. What I'm only trying to say is that you are just going to keep on educating people. 5 years ago, when I first said that I wanted to go to a hospital and maybe say a doctor for my mental health, I was considered a little crazy. Today, everybody talks about mental health because it's the thing to talk about. And the only way it happened was because people just spoke about it.
You're right.
They started having conversations. Now it's normalized.
having
It's okay for me to say I may
that
need a
started,
psychiatrist
yeah.
or I may go for therapy. And it's okay. So the more we're going to talk about this, the more we're going to start appreciating everybody.
But you see,
so conversations is what's going to change the narrative. People are getting together, forming a council where you're fighting because he sat on my seat, this one's trying to sideline me. Is never going
But
to
you see,
achieve anything.
a lot of our, whatever that we achieved, right, in fashion, whatever that we achieved got lost in translation. It did not get lost in the rest of the world.
No,
The value
Nadia,
of-
businesses have shut down around the world.
No,
You know, my dad
that's
was
not because-
sad because he was like, oh, Toshiba is shutting down. I was like, fine, but Apple's come on. ठीक है? So why are you crying? The world is evolving and we're going to accept that change and we're going to adapt accordingly instead of crying about हमारे ज़माने में तो ये होता था.
नहीं
आपके ज़माने में Kendall Jenner है.
हम अपने हमारे ज़माने
नहीं,
की
but
बातें
Naomi
कर रहे हैं।
Campbell की value
वही
कम
तो मैं
नहीं
कह
हुई
रहा
ना.
हूँ।
मेरा ये
नहीं,
मेरी
तो
मेरा
I
ये
agree.
कहना है.
That is a problem of the Pakistani mindset.
Yeah.
It's not a problem. I still think they give Amitabh Bachchan and Rekha, उन्होंने 10 साल में कोई काम नहीं किया, उनको front rows मिलती हैं और हमारे यहाँ वो उनको सीट ही नहीं मिलती. Marina Khan is not invited to half the events because she's not commercially valuable. And that is where our hypocrisy comes in because we don't
Exactly.
make our stars legends. We don't give them the respect they deserve, right?
Yeah.
And that is something that the West has. They give
That
their
is what it
celebrities
is, right?
respect.
That, the system, it supports them. The
Supports
system.
them. And that is going to
Jessica,
only
can I-
happen, yeah. Sorry, I got really
No worries. No,
emotional.
that's fine and it's okay. But this is why we are here. It's an open dialogue.
So
you can talk about
So you're
that.
going to respect your artists and the industry is not going to pull you down because we're jealous of Nadia and Mush's success. I'm not going to pull them.
absolutely
And
not,
that's what
yeah.
I think we do in our industry. I'm sure not everybody across the board in India loves Aishwarya Rai, but have you ever heard one person say she's not good enough for the position she's in? But I mean,
Aishwarya
Aishwarya Rai
Rai?
or anybody. But over here, we constantly do that. We do that amongst
Exactly,
ourselves.
exactly.
We do that ourselves. Oh, forget the public. We do that. Right? And so we need to kind of ask ourselves why we run each other down. And if we're going to support each other, the industry will eventually get up.
I think that support has
Yeah,
been
no,
there.
but that
though,
means
no?
that's a contradiction because that means no other cultural power body in fashion or anybody can come to our country,
No, you're absolutely right,
right?
about.
Because we are giving.
No, Anushe.
So-
No. Anushe.
So that's what I'm saying.
Anushe.
This is a debate.
So what Anusha basically said about just being able to talk about it and spreading that awareness by talking about it, I mean, that makes sense. But you see,
Actually, Anusha, you're absolutely right, and I'll tell you why. Because there is so much. Like there are these girls in Lahore who come to fashion shows with their parents, right? And there's been so many instances where their mothers are like, "Oh, I want my kid to maybe become a model." I don't think this sentence could ever come out of a
Come
mother's
out.
mouth 10
and
years
it's when
ago.
they saw Nadia Hussain wearing a sleeveless shirt and say walking on the ramp over and over again, getting flack for it is when we all started getting the guts to start wearing it, and it happened automatically because you kept going. Nobody changed anything for you. Nobody came and said, "हम ये counsel करेंगे and we fight for your rights." देख के भी इंसान को थोड़ा सा easy हो जाता है. The more you have a conversation about it, the more acceptable and normalized things get. Now divorces have gotten normalized, unhappy marriages are getting normalized, harassment is getting something we talk about instead of putting under the carpet, only because they haven't had organizations handling them. They started talking and people got up and fought for something they believed in.
Yeah.
And that's the only way that change is going to come. I don't think organizations have the power to do it any longer, and I don't think one head is going to change the narrative. Social media has helped us. I mean, it's also kind of made life difficult, but it's helped you become a lot more accepting towards a lot of things. And those who do not accept it are just being negative because, again, it's like saying, हमारे ज़माने में तो ये होता था social media. अब ये ज़माना है, so accept it. हमारे बच्चों के ज़माने में कुछ और होगा जो हमें नहीं अच्छा लगेगा, पर ऐसा ही होगा, right? Now 13-year-olds are wearing lipstick. Now either you complain or say, it's okay. I mean, this is what they do in 2021 as a 13-year-old. And it's
Yeah.
fine. You know, it's
But
fine.
that's the beauty of this platform, thanks to Huma, that you've given this to us and you've provided this for us, that we are able to talk about the good times which they had. And then, of course, you know, for Mushk, I mean, for Amal, you guys were not there, you know, that long ago. So you are kind of, you know, coming from that point of view, and you're able to enjoy your life just as much, and you're going to be having fond memories of your past 15 years from now as well. And yes, so I mean, the idea is, of course, you know, to be able to talk about it and also find out what happened then.
100%.
You know, Umar Saeed की
No, no.
जिंदगी कैसी थी
I
उस
just meant the
वक्त
same
जब,
thing.
you know, that acknowledgement, and then Imran Qureshi and those kinds of things. And it is interesting to kind of get to know all of these things from their perspective as well, कि 15 साल पहले इनको क्या अच्छा लगता था और क्यों अच्छा लगता था versus now. And this is kind of, you know, it's just, I guess it goes hand in hand, this conversation, like, you know, being able to talk about everything. And I think it's a very cool thing that, Huma, you're starting out, you know, that we're able to
That's
have all of these
And I
conversations.
also feel
Keep
like
on
कि
meeting,
fashion की इतनी
talk
कम
about
बात होती है, like, you know, in a matter of seconds, everybody was really defensive and aggressive, and I really enjoyed it. And
Yeah.
it's nice to see that, you know, there are people who want to encourage dialogue about fashion, because
Yeah,
it
yeah,
is
yeah.
that
Absolutely.
one tiny piece of cake that is just left on the table, you know, like nobody talks about fashion. So it's nice.
So, I mean, yeah, naturally, if Nadia is going to talk about it 15 years from now, it is going to, you know, sound, because she is the one actually who is not being appreciated for, you know, being there and all of that. Yes, you know, Omar Saeed will have the same thing to say. Imran Qureshi is saying the same thing. It's just one of those things that I guess.
I have one last question for Umar Saeed and Imran Qureshi.
Is it a
also.
question though, Anusha?
One last,
Anusha,
promise.
is it a question though?
It's a question.
Okay, go on.
How much do you think, forget the people and forget these influencers and bloggers, how much do you think the people of your own industry have decided to not perhaps keep it going the way, you know, like brands could make legends out of you? Because I was on the plane with Jansher Khan the other day and I was embarrassed that nobody wanted a picture with him. Just sharam aa rahi thi, because he's much bigger than any cricketer from Pakistan for what he's
Yeah.
done in squash, right? And we haven't made those legends. And that is what I think, where I agree with Nadia, that maybe brands have to make those legends. Or as Pakistanis, we need to learn how to respect our artists.
yeah,
और जब आपकी
I-
art की इज्जत नहीं है तो
I
आपकी
think,
इज्जत
yeah,
कौन
it's that
करेगा?
last thing, right?
You know, आपकी
That
art
you
की
said.
इज्जत नहीं है, उसको इतना सुनने को मिलता है.
आज मैं यहाँ
आप टीवी
पे
पे काम
क्यों?
करते हैं, लोग कहते हैं कि आप टीवी पे हैं, शर्म नहीं आती?
लेट मी टेल यू ऑनेस्टली अनुषा, आज मैं यहाँ पे क्यों? हुमा की वजह से, क्योंकि हुमा बहुत रिस्पेक्ट देती है. आप पे हर जगह नहीं जाता.
Yeah.
आप टाइम, क्योंकि
It's that
आप
passion.
अगर आप रिस्पेक्ट देंगे, रिस्पेक्ट begets रिस्पेक्ट. तो
thank you
सबसे
very
main-
much. I think
सबसे
this-
मेन बात
this
ये
owes.
कि मैं आपकी इज्जत करूं, राशिद की करूं, सबकी म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट होना बहुत जरूरी है.
बिल्कुल.
अगर आप मुझे वो स्टारडम या वो सात सलाम नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन एक बेसिक रिस्पेक्ट और तमीज़ चाहिए. अगर वो अपनी इंडस्ट्री से, आम लोगों से, सबसे, क्या आपको एक तमीज़ ही नहीं है. बात सारी ये है. तो मुझे आप अगर इज्जत से, मुझे कोई डिज़ाइनर भी अगर मुझे पर्सनली फ़ोन करता है अपने शो को, मैं ज़रूर जाता हूँ, आई मेक इट अ पॉइंट. लेकिन आप मुझे एक टुच्चा सा व्हाट्सएप में, आई एम इन ओल्ड स्कूल, अगर आप मुझे एक टुच्चा सा व्हाट्सएप कर देंगे, मैं कभी भी नहीं जाऊँगा, मैं रिप्लाई भी नहीं करूँगा. हाँ, तो
क्या आप हमारे साथ कोलैबोरेट करना चाहेंगे?
एग्जैक्टली. तो आप, अगर आपके पास 5 मिनट वो टाइम नहीं है इनवाइट करने का, मुझे एक पर्सनल कॉल करने का, मेरे पास क्या 2 घंटे कि मैं जाके आपके इवेंट पे जाऊँ?
That's very kind of you.
Why?
Nadia, you want to say something?
I want to say that, you know, yeah, a lot has changed. I mean, you know, of course, we all need to evolve, even as, you know, as people, as
And
humans.
you have, and they have, you know. I mean, yes, I understand you have, and I think she's way ahead of, you know, than me myself. I mean, I run away from it personally. I don't accept. I'm not getting along with what it is now, and what, you know, I'm not able to evolve just as well. But she's always insisting that, okay, no, you must, but you must, and you know, she's figuring out ways for her.
So we need to evolve. We need to evolve,
Yeah.
but in a way that it still comes out with good quality.
Yeah.
We need to
Exactly.
still bring that oomph back.
Oomph back.
I feel hai, or I got change. Anusha is very right. we need to accept and we need to move on and we need to work with what's
Yes.
happening now. But we need to realize that uske saath there are a lot of respect that you need to bring in. You need to bring in that good quality stuff. Abhi bahut sare brands bhi, they've started bringing their own essence to the work that when they hire a stylist now, I feel they've started asking a lot more from them and getting things customized. Pehle kya hota tha? Just bring the jewelry, just bring, and I generally think wo khatam ho raha hai.
I
So it
remember
is
the Al-Karam
evolving.
days.
So we're evolving.
Yeah.
It's not like we're not, but thoda time lag raha hai, and I feel like if we keep on supporting and talking about it,
Yes.
it will help.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last thing, but I'm not against social media or new things or WhatsApp or anything or new technology. But the thing is कि basic तमीज़ and basic values remains the same. सारी दुनिया जब से अभी हुई है झूठ बोलना मना है, तमीज़ दिखाना जायज़ है, आप किसी को धक्का नहीं दे, तो ये बेसिक तमीज़ और ये चीज़ें तो रहनी चाहिए ना. बेसिकली वो हम भूलते जा रहे हैं और वो हमें इवॉल्व होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ चलना बहुत ज़रूरी है. हर चीज़ मैं उसके खिलाफ नहीं हूँ, लेकिन एक बेसिक तमीज़ जो हम भूलते जा रहे हैं वो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम उसको रिगेन करें.
Perfect. So I think we'll wrap it up, with what Umar Said said. Unless you want to add something to it? No? Sorry, मैं आपकी बात को बार-बार काट देती हूँ बीच में.
नहीं. I think that, definitely there needs to be, or we need to really evolve as, I would say, as a nation, and I think that, a lot of that will come through education. हमारे यहाँ जो एक चीज़ बहुत lacking है ना, which I've said a lot of times before, is so, आप एक टेबल पे बैठ के चम्मच कांटे से खाना खाते हैं, वो आपको तमीज़ सिखाई जाती है, वो एटिकेट सिखाया जाता है. सोशल मीडिया की भी एटिकेट्स हैं और वो एटिकेट्स लोगों को नहीं पता है. So like that same thing, this when it comes down to respect and all of that, इतनी ज़्यादा जो bashing जब हम एक दूसरे की कर रहे होते हैं, वो एक norm बन जाता है. तो अब अगर आज मैं बैठी कुछ किसी की bashing कर रही हूँ, वो एक norm बन जाता है, and that just again, like I said, it should not be the norm, and that is only because of lack of education. The ones who are educated will never do that, but the uneducated ones will.
Hello? Cool. So I'm sure, it's just one of those things that it also depends on, again, who your friends are, who your family is. If the family is, educated enough, or agar aapki, but somewhere down the line I feel हाँ ठीक है ये भी होता है, लेकिन फिर there are rare cases जो education होने के बावजूद भी ये करते हैं. I think it just goes hand in hand, and this conversation can go on.
On and on. Yeah.
अब हम fashion
सो
then
जाओ.
and now से जो है वो अब हम पता नहीं किसी और ही topic पे चले गए.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Honestly speaking, I loved, the passion for fashion oozing out of you all. Absolutely loved having you all here, and thank you, Huma, for giving them this platform where we could hear them speak, and thank you for that. And yeah, thank you all so much.